Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Cartesian plane. What is a Cartesian plane? As we know, circular orbits, stock prices and temperature conversions are all examples of relationships between two quantities that can be expressed in a two-dimensional graph, which is called a plane. This is our plane. We have the axis here. The axes are two perpendicular real number lines in the plane that intersect at their origins. Typically, the horizontal axis is called the x-axis and the vertical axis is denoted as the y-axis. The point where these axes intersect is called the origin. The axes, these axes, divide the plane into four quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Each point in the plane is called an ordered pair, denoted by x, y. The first number of this ordered pair indicates the position in the horizontal direction and is often called the x-coordinate or abscissa. The second number indicates the position in the vertical direction and is often called the y-coordinate or ordinate. For example, this point here has two coordinates. The first one is number 2, which is the abscissa, and the second one is number 4, which is the ordinate. So the points, the coordinates of point A are 2, 4. Let's give another example. Say that we try to find the coordinates of this point here, the point B. The abscissa is, as we can see, number -3, and the ordinate is number 5. So the coordinates of this point are -3, 5. Let's go to the third quadrant. Say that we try to find the coordinates of this point here, C. The abscissa here is -4 and the ordinate is -2. So point C has coordinates -4, -2. Let's go to the fourth quadrant, say here. This point D here has abscissa number 5 and its ordinate is -4. So the point B has coordinates 5, -4. Here we have the origin, the point of intersection between these two axes. Well, this point here has ordinates 0, 0. This is the origin. Well, let's get to a point on the x-axis. This point here. This point here has abscissa 4 and ordinate 0. Okay, let's get to this point. This point here has abscissa 0 and ordinate 6. Let's try another example. This point here. This point here has abscissa -5 and ordinate 0. As we can see, all points on the x-axis have ordinates 0, and all points on the y-axis have abscissa 0, 2. Well, all points, the representation here is called the rectangular coordinate system or the Cartesian coordinate system, named after the French mathematician René Descartes. Thank you all for watching this video.